Hi, I'm Ben from FieldWorker, and I'm going to show you how to add employees to the FieldWorker platform. So by adding employees, I mean inviting other people in your team to come and join you and use FieldWorker so that you can assign tasks to them, so that they can keep track of their own tasks and time on here, and so that you can collaborate a lot more smoothly together. So when you log in, you're going to be on the home screen, and what you're going to want to do is go down here to New on the left-hand side. Give that one moment to load. Once it's loaded, then you want to go here and choose employee. And you'll need to enter a couple of details for each of your employees. Firstly is their name. So we'll go for John Doe, very creative. Then you'll need to enter their address. So this is kind of your version of employee records here. So because this is an example, we're on Testing Street in New York. In New York City, and the zip code. And then you'll need to enter their email address. So this will be their work email address here. So we're just doing an example. Real email address, just as an example. Then you'll be able to add their phone number if they've got multiple phone numbers, as may often be the case, especially for those of us in this industry. You'll be able to enter all of these here as well. So I'll just go ahead and enter test number. Once you've entered that information, so the personal details, you'll be able to continue. You'll be able to set their join date, so when they started working with you. So John Doe started on the 1st of September 2021. Again, this is about having complete employee records on your FieldWorker system. You'll be able to specify their status as well, so whether they're full-time, whether they're temp, or whether they're on contract. So John is full-time. And their type as well. This will also relate to their role on the FieldWorker system. There's a couple of different roles here. So FieldWorker and support coordinator are two types of employees. They'll be able to see their own tasks and keep track of their own time. For managers, they'll be able to then delegate tasks and see all of the timesheet entries and tasks for people in their team. And admins have access to all information across the whole company, as well as larger business dashboards showing key insights. So John is a field worker and a support coordinator. You'll be able to set their manager here. So we'll put James as the manager. So that means John reports to James in addition to any vacation days they're entitled to. So 20 vacation days in addition to personal time off. Once you've done this, you'll then be able to choose create employee, and the details will have been saved. The next step will be for John to check the email inbox for the email which was entered, for his invite email, which will contain his credentials for his own FieldWorker account. There'll be a link there that he needs to click on to then go ahead and set up his account just as you did. And that's how you add an employee to FieldWorker. Happy collaborating.